G100 Public Network Radio Usage Guide. Before starting up, it is necessary to insert the SIM card into the walkie-talkie. Push the SIM card slot latch downward to open it. Place the SIM card into the slot. Close the latch. Gently push the latch upward to secure it. Finally, simply install the battery. The following is the download QR code for the APP-OD Master used in conjunction with G100. You need to register an account. You can choose by email. It can log in without any verification. Scan the code to add friends from the top right corner. You can find your own QR code on the Me interface. Click on New Group to create a group. Enter group name. When creating a group, you can also choose to invite friends to join. Just enter the group at the end. Click on Devices. Select G100 and scan the QR code at startup. Click Save to complete the binding. Finally, add the group created in the previous step to the walkie-talkie to start using it. Click on the Groups List button. Select Group. Press and hold the PTT key to start the intercom. Click on the Single Call button. Select Members. Short press the PTT key to confirm. Press and hold the PTT key to start the intercom. Click on the Single Call button. Select Members. Short press the PTT key to confirm. Press and hold the PTT key to start the intercom.
If you have any other questions, find us at the following contact information.